Hi everyone, how are you doing today? As many times before, the trio is back with another challenge, and this time it's called Flower Power 2021. In my opinion, it easily could be called Hippie Love 2021 as well, but that is what they choose, so we will stay with that. And as many times, again, there are some rules. I guess I have to wait for the Anarchy Challenge when you can do whatever you want. But for now, the rules are that you need to use the tag Flower Power 2021. It needs to include flower ingredient, needs to be the drink decorated with some flowers, and to be submitted by 1st of June this year. I decided to choose a really simple drink. The drink calls for vodka, jasmine syrup, and lemon juice. So it's really easy, and let's go for that. We start with 2 ounces of vodka. And then after that we're gonna use 1 ounce or 30 ml of jasmine syrup. If you don't have jasmine syrup, you can steep jasmine flowers in simple syrup or make a jasmine tea, and then from that tea you create a simple syrup. It's really up to you. I happen to have jasmine syrup, so I will go with that. It's quite strange, it goes for full ounce of simple syrup, the recipe, but we will see how it goes. And half an ounce or 15 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're gonna add some ice. Okay, and we're gonna shake. I just forgot to mention that this drink, as far as I managed to find out, has been created by Gautam Shah in India. So let's shake. Since the Jasmine Sour Martini is quite like all martini doesn't require ice into the glass, it's good you to shake it very well to achieve maximum chilling. And we're gonna double strain it into a coupe glass. Yeah. And yet again I fill the glass to the top. It will be interesting how the heck I'm gonna taste the drink. And to fulfill the last requirement, I decorated the glass with some jasmine flowers. Initially I was thinking to put them on top, but then probably with the first sip the flower will start touching your lips and will be a little bit uncomfortable. That's why I choose to pin it to the rim of the glass. Anyhow, let's give it a taste. Okay, I'm not ultra impressed. It's not a bad drink, but it's too sweet for my taste. And then the jasmine flavor, at least of this syrup, is too strong. So it tastes kind of too medicinal and too artificial, even if they promote the syrup being all natural ingredients and with bio label, etc. So I guess if I make the drink again, I will reduce the simple syrup to half an ounce. So I will reduce the sweetness, and hopefully that will reduce also the very potent jasmine flavor, bringing slightly more balanced drink. Yeah, to be honest, I'm not impressed. I'm quite sorry to say that, but It's a good start. It's flowery, and I really wanted to participate in the challenge, but at this point, this is not for me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.